Hi students, it's Mr. Nguyen here. Thanks for joining me. Today we are working on IXL um, dilation and specifically finding the coordinates of the dilation, okay? So according to the dilation rule, whatever the scale factor is for that dilation, so in this case it's 1/4, which means we do have a reduction. That means this triangle is getting smaller and it gets 4 times smaller, okay, because the scale factor is 1/4 of the original. So the rule says whatever the scale factor is, you multiply every coordinate of the original figure with the scale factor. So here we're going to take 4 and multiply by 1/4. Well, if you think about it, 4 multiplied by 1/4 is the same as saying 4 divided by 4. All right. So multiplying by 1/4 is the same as dividing by 4. One way sounds a lot more doable than the other, right? So 4 divided by 4 makes a lot more sense to some of you guys. And then 4 times 1/4 is like what? 0 divided by 4 is still 0. That doesn't change. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 0 divided by 4, 0 again. This one is 2 again. This one is 1. So there we are. Submit. Okay, we don't actually have to graph because they're giving you the graph just so that you can check your coordinates to make sure that it looks right. But if you do your algebra correctly, you should be fine. So here we have a scale factor of 3. So the rule is pretty straightforward. Just multiply by the scale factor, and you'll be done. So this tutorial video is not going to be long, right? I'm just going to skip over some level. To make sure you guys see all the kinds of questions that it's asking. So you're multiplying every coordinate, every number by 3, right? So be -9. So be careful with your negative sign. It's going to stay there. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so sometimes we make a mistake and we forget to multiply. Okay, this is -3. This is 3 again. This one is -3 again. This one is 9. This one is -9. And this one is 9. And really it doesn't, I mean, there are so many numbers that you have to enter, right? There are 8 numbers essentially. So it doesn't really hurt to do a double check to make sure that you are inputting the numbers correctly before you hit submit, because any of them is wrong, the whole thing is wrong, and then you get penalized many points, right? That's how IXL works. Submit. All right, I'm gonna skip. Oh, that's a tiny picture. It's getting 4 times larger, so this is an enlargement. So you pretty much just taken everything and multiply by 4. I'm gonna skip level really quick. And that's all I can skip. I can't skip anymore, so I'm gonna have to do this one. Oh, look at that. Scale factor of 4 again. So I'm multiplying everything by 4 here. Enlargement. So -8. And this is, I think, guys, this is all there is to it for this practice. 1 times 4 is 4. -2 is -8. 2 will become 8. 0 will stay 0. -1 times 4 is -4. And 0 will stay 0. Now please notice that these are locations, okay? These are not the length of the figure. These are the locations of the vertices, right? So try to remember that. I think I'm good. Double check, double check, double check. Okay, submit. Let's see. Again, okay, this is it. It's asking me pretty much the same kind of questions again. So I think I'm gonna stop here. I hope that helps some of you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and you will see more math tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye-bye.